Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing. We're going to unbox today from All My Thyme. And I found All My Thyme through one of the Facebook groups that I'm on, and I saw somebody got an amazing package of David Austin's, and I was so jealous of those bare roots, and I thought I need to order and see what All My Thyme is about. And by the time I got into order, most of the things were sold out, all of the bare roots, and they were getting ready to go into their potted plant season, and those are available to ship in May. But I wanted to get my hands on a bare root so that we could compare it apples to apples with all of the other roses that we've unboxed this season. Working with All My Thyme was very pleasant. The owner, Dawn, is very responsive to email, and after we had several emails back and forth, we finally just called each other on the phone, and she was so pleasant. Totally geeked out talking to her about roses, and we were on the phone for over an hour. And I just think that that says a lot about small business owners when they can take the time to talk to their customers and make sure that they're answering all the questions. And I know that I've shared with you in all of my previous videos my desire to support local businesses, and so if you're buying from All My Thyme, you're definitely supporting a small business, and you're going to get that quality one-on-one customer service that you're looking for. So when you're looking at the pricing of the roses, they're basically the same price. If you decide to wait for potted versus bare root, they're going to be about $49. They're going to ship through FedEx, and the shipping is free included in the cost. I'm not quite sure about the warranty, and I'll go ahead and pop it up as soon as I get confirmation of her warranty, but I know that it said that she guarantees the roses are going to arrive in good shape, and I'm sure that if you have any issues once they arrive, you can go ahead and reach out and let her know. She was just so nice. I don't anticipate you'll have any problems with working with Dawn. So I'm expecting one rose, and we'll go ahead and open it up and see what we're looking at. Okay, so opening it up right now, really nice and clean. When I just opened my David Austin's, if you saw that video, I just felt like I was covered in dirt. So it's really nice to open a package, and I'm finding with a lot of my small businesses, they really take a lot of pride in how they're packaging their roses. Okay, excellent. It's completely covered the bag in the with the bare roots so that it's keeping it moist so that it doesn't dry out in shipment. If this is the first video that you're watching of mine, we do a quick look at a few things when you're unboxing, and I'll go ahead and pop it up on the screen, the key things that we're looking for when we unbox a rose. So we're going to make sure that the rose canes are bright green and healthy, and if there's any leaves flushing out, that they are also green. They can change a little bit to a lighter hue if they've just been in that dark environment of a box, that's fine. You just don't want them to be brown because that would indicate that they've dried out through the shipping. So we're going to look and make sure that everybody's happy here. I can see that it's already starting to leaf out, and I'll get that closer in a second. I'm going to check out the crown itself to make sure that it's not soft, and this one's nice and firm. And then we go ahead and we look at the roots, and we make sure the roots are soft, that they're not dried out. We're also looking for any growths, which I don't see, and I don't see anything that's knotted up on this rose. So this is a very healthy rose. Let me go ahead and get closer and show it to you. So you can see here that it is trying to flush out. I'll turn that around. I see lots of nice fresh growth here, and then also up here. So this is fun in the sun. So very nice rose. So I'm also looking in the box, and it looks like I've got a little present here. It's got the English Garden Rose Handling and Planting Guide. It's so cute, this little container. Look how pretty. So we've got a little gift bag, and let's open it. So I've got my planting guide. I'll look at that. She's saying to soak them for 24 to 48 hours, and we typically soak for at least 24. So I'll read this in a little bit and see if there's anything else in here. I wonder what this is. A little vial here. Let me open this up. I like presents. So look how pretty this paper is. Look how sweet. She's got a pair of gloves in here, gardening gloves. I'm definitely going to be able to use that. That is so nice. So very thoughtful. The way that she's packaged it, the quality of the rose, and a little gift. Let's go ahead and talk about pricing before I let you go. So with all of our unboxings, we are trying to rack and stack them so that you can make a better choice about who you want to order from in the fall with the total price between any discounts, the shipping, and just the total cost expected. And so for all of our growers that we are unboxing, we're saying if I buy 10 roses, what is the discount that's applied with the shipping? With all my time, it's going to be about $50 per rose. If we're buying 10 roses, that's $500. There'll be free shipping, so the total cost will be $500 then for all my time. And so when we go ahead and rack and stack it between everybody that we've purchased from this year, the lowest was $185 for 10 roses. All my time is going to be on the higher side, a little bit higher than heirloom. I hope this video was helpful and that you'll consider subscribing so that you get an alert as soon as we do our next unboxing. I'll see you next time.